What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing baby Hoppy Hopscotch from the Smiling Critters. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page with the nose. We're going to start with the top edge with a curve. We're going to go up and then down on the right. Now on the ends, let's bend the nose coming down and in towards the center. And I'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Let's go to the bottom tip of the nose. We're going to draw the mouth. We're going to start with the left side coming down and then up. Go back to the center, come down and up on the right. Let's tuck the bottom of the mouth underneath. On the left, we're going to step in, draw a half circle, coming down, and then back up on the right. And I'll place the tongue along the bottom, starting back over on the left, go up and then down, step up to create a fold, go down towards the right, and then fill the top of the mouth in black. Let's go back to the outside of the nose, draw the bottom of the eye. Coming down and then up. Let's go back to the inside and left. We're going to draw the top of the eye with an oval. We're going to go all the way around toward the top, come down the side, and then bend that in. And do the exact same thing on the right, going up towards the same height. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So we'll start on the left with an oval, going up, come down, and then tuck that in towards the bottom. And we'll fill the outside of the eyes in black. Now with the face complete, let's move out to the side and draw some fur around the cheeks. We're going to line up at the bottom of the eye, over on the left side, going out, and then hook that back in. Let's go to the right, going out, bend this around, and then in. Let's add another one aiming down. Down, and then up. Now back over on the left side, we're going to draw the bottom of the head. We want to come down, and then bend that in. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to draw the top half of the head. Starting over on the left, we're going to go up above the eye, round up the brow, come down, round up the center, go up above the right eye, then bend that down on top of the cheek. Let's place those large ears on top of the head. We're going to start on top of the left brow. Start by bending this up. I'm going to bend that down towards the side. Let's round up the ear, come up and in. I'm just going to taper this so it gets narrower as we come back in towards the head. Now the right ear we're going to bend inwards. So we're going to line up the top on the inside, going up and then in. Round up the ear, go all the way around the outside, and let's taper that in towards the head. Let's trace the right ear along the inside. And then on each ear, we're going to add a seam. Let's start on the left, bend this in, and then down. Now over on the right side, we're going to go in behind that trim in the center, continue up on the right. Let's add in the eyebrows. Bend this up and then down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll leave a gap on the left side, then it's out and then down. Go to the right and do the same thing. Let's close off the bottom with a curve, coming down and then back up. Now on either side of the body, we're going to draw the bottom of the feet. So let's start on the bottom corner of the body and draw an oval going out in an angle. Come down towards the bottom and then back up on the inside. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Starting from the hip, going up and around, then this in, and then back up towards the hip. In between the heels, we're going to add a curve. Coming down and up. Now I'm going to trace the bottom of the feet along the inside. And I'll separate the toes along the top with two curves. Let's start with the left. Coming in. Let's tuck the arms in along the side, starting underneath the head, then it's around, and then in towards the side of the body. Let's add a curve across the wrist, coming down and out. And then in the center of the body, we're going to add that bolt symbol. Let's start on the top right, come down at an angle, come straight across. Let's come back down towards the waist. Now going back up the top, we're just going to trace the outside and bend that down and out. Let's add that string on either side with a curve, going up underneath the head. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw baby Hoppy Hopscotch from the Smiling Critters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.